Alright, it's Logan, and I made a new channel because me and my friends all wanted to get the same channel and share it, and so one of my friends suggested that we make a bike crew, so I was like, alright, yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, now we're called T9 Bicycles, and to start off the channel, I'm gonna make a bike check. So, start off on the top, moving down. Got ODI long necks. I love these things. Oh, I'm gonna also review the parts too. These things last I've had these grips for like 3 months and they're not even worn yet. And then some weird bar ends, I need new ones. I want Aussie par ends. I strongly recommend those if you throw your bike around. These are forgot what bars they are. My friend gave them to me though. They are so light, it's not even freaking funny. With the stem on it, it's like a pound. If I knew the name, I would recommend them, but for Christmas, I'm getting the Animal Jump Off Remix stem in red and the Perfect 10s, S&Ms, in chrome, so it's going to look pretty bad. This bike is like brand new too, also, and I'm just like rebuilding it, so I'll have other bike checks up. Got Stolen Cyclone forks. I mean, they're just stock forks, but I'm getting S&M, S&M pitchforks. There we go. Got it now. And then a Mirko peg in the front, brand new. A Stolen Revolver double wall rim. See, stolen. There you go. And a stock hub. I'm getting a Primo N4FL front wheel complete. So yeah. This is a Kenda contact tire. It's pretty fat for a Kenda. I'm running it in the front instead of the back. Yeah, you'll see why. It's fatter. Got Primo metal pedals. Just got them yesterday because I got tired of my Thermalites. Kept slipping and stuff. But these things are freaking awesome. Legit. Amazing. Like, if I knew what they were, I'd strongly recommend them. I love these things. Not Primo, what am I saying? Stolen Mob cranks. I mean, they're really good for stock cranks, but I'm getting some Twombolts probably, of course. Then we got an Alienation, there we go, pivotal seat. Just got this yesterday too for my friend. It's pretty sick actually. Nice and padded. Yeah. And then I got an animal C-post. I mean, the minute I picked that C-post up, it felt like it didn't even feel like I was holding it. Like, it's so light, and the seat and the post together are not even a pound. I think it's 0.7 ounces. That's how light this crap is right now. I just got a stock Haro peg, pretty beat up though. FBM hub guard, pretty beat up, all sides. Boom, boom, if you can see, boom. I got a Fit FAF tire. This thing looks so sexy with the frickin' red Stolen Revolver double wall. Oh my god, yeah. And then I believe it's a Bicycle Union hub. It's really loud actually. And then on this side we got a Stolen Class Ring sprocket, 25 tooth. I'm gonna go to 23/8 I think, because it's out of the way. And yeah. And I've got a Shadow interlock chain. This thing is so sexy on here. Oh my god. But I think I'm gonna probably get a silver one too. yeah, and then we got the heart of the bike. Stolen center frame. I was gonna get a Colt frame until I found out they weigh 5 pounds. So I was like, alright, screw that. This frame is good. So might as well just get this frame. And I mean, yeah, it's been good to me. I like it. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do a hub sound because this hub is really loud actually. So let's see if you can see that. Sorry if you can't see. Alright, you ready? Here we go. Ah, fudge. This is so hard to do. I don't like hub sounds. There we go. Yes, I just discovered I need to trim my wheel badly. I don't feel like it. So, yeah, I just discovered I need to trim my wheel big time, but yep, that's about it. Well, stolen headset and then stolen bottom bracket. But yep, that's about it. Just pretty good bike stock. I strongly recommend it. Comes with the Thermalite seat, but the person I bought the bike from, I got it all stock, but he put this crappy seat on because he wanted to keep Thermalite, so piece of crap seat. And then stolen Tioga tire came on the back. He had a skinny tire in the front and this one in the back. This thing is so fat, I might put it on the front, but I don't know, it's kind of like brand new, so I might sell it. And then, if you live in Arizona, they're around the Surprise area, and you want some parts off my bike, anything, trade for your better part, trade for parts, sell. Yeah, so just hit me up in the comments if you, yeah. So, there's my bike check. My friends should be getting checks up soon. So then we'll have 3 bike checks. And then we're working on an edit right now that we're gonna hopefully release in like 2 weeks because we have a lot of clips that we need to get done. So yep. So comment, rate, subscribe. Yeah. Thanks.